All right, all right. Excited to show you guys this project that was done on our home, removing some ivy. Uh, this ivy was probably, it was old. There was some ivy roots, and I wish I had pictures of them, that were as big as my wrist, and I'm still dealing with it, but the final product was definitely amazing. And like I said, it took me a while. It probably took me a few weeks only because I couldn't do it all at once. It's a big job. And there was some fencing that you can see there that the ivy was interwoven within. But that is the original picture from the realtor site, and kind of working my way around to the left, showing the ivy. And there's a big circled pad there that I'm going to do some things with in the future. And this is the view looking out from the dining room. That is dead ivy that had interwoven between some wrought iron, supporting a we'll call it a covered patio thing with some fiberglass corrugated panels that I've since taken down. But that's what it was left there. You can kind of see it again up there, the dead ivy. It literally blocking the house, exposing, not only hiding the house, but also hiding view. Again, so I'm working my way back from the left. These are pictures that I actually took. There's kind of a close-up at how, in that ivy, there's actually a fence, a galvanized fence. Still working my way around to the left. That's a citrus tree in front of that wall of ivy interwoven in that fence. And then it was also interwoven within the rock wall, working all the way around the house. So a lot of ivy. I'm glad I was able to link up with my buddy at Mission Minded Movement to help me move this pile once I started getting in there and working my way into just the sheer enormity of how interwoven this ivy was, and how much probably water it was sucking up. It was a lot going on. There's that pile, and shout out to Fidencio at Mission Minded Moving for helping me drag that stuff. We worked probably 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. one evening, but totally worth it. As you can see the view now from our dining room, breathtaking. You can see the mountains, see the landscape, and that's right out that window. Just a gorgeous morning that you can now see out of our dining room window, which is such a blessing. Again, kind of compare and contrast what it was and what it is now. Just open things up, and I'm so glad we took on this project. That's me working at it, filling up container after container of waste bin, until the point where I was just like, I'm gonna put it all in a pile, as you saw, and then call my buddy Fidencio. A little blurry here around Christmas time, slowly chipping away now at the ivy that's interwoven into the rock wall that goes around the house. There's my supervisor, Lucas, helping me out. He loves that gate. And again, that kind of represents the actual fencing that went all the way around this little pad. Again, slowly chipping away at things. Ivy gets in there good. It was a process. It was worth it. I'm glad I went through this whole journey, because there's the end product of what that beautiful rock looked like, and all the ivy removed from that rock face and fencing. So yeah, totally worth it. Now I have a space that I can use. So creating space, which was awesome. So totally blessed and thankful for what we did here at Hilltop, at Casa de Hilltop. Hope you enjoyed.